Hey! In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method, Gboard and finally Theme. Now you need to select this plus sign under My Themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. After that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, choose Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to switch them on or off. When you're ready, choose Apply, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!